Okay guys, today we're going to be working on the truck. You may realize I have two fill doors, you see it? So that means I have two tanks in this truck. Most older trucks do have two tanks. And today we're going to be replacing our fuel tank selector switch in my 94 F250. My truck is a diesel, and when I replaced this, I replaced it with a cheap Amazon part because I thought, well, it's just a switch, it'll work fine. I was absolutely wrong. The switch hasn't worked pretty much since I replaced it. It's really hard to get it to switch between tanks, so I really only can use my front tank here lately. But I went ahead and got a Ford OEM part. It's a switch. It does the same exact job, except for this is the OEM part, so we know that it will work properly. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this done for you guys. I noticed that we're almost to 100 subscribers. So if you watch this video and you're not subscribed, maybe think about subscribing. I'm just trying to get to at least 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And any support you can give is helpful. So mine is broken, so we drilled a little bit of holes through here and just put zip ties in it. I don't have the mounts on the back of this, they're broken. And in order to take these light switches off, there's a groove that you stick a screwdriver in. And it'll help you pry this knob off. Got the knob off. You can see this is just a knob for the lights. Try to get you guys a little bit closer so you can see. Yeah, and then pull the bezel off. And like I said, my bezel's already kind of broken, so it doesn't really matter all too much. You know, if you didn't want to snap off your screws and stuff, you would take these little clips off and take the screw out. Mine's already broken, so I'm not all too concerned about that. But we're gonna go ahead and get the plug off. This is the old one. Again, I got this truck secondhand, and when I got it, all this stuff was already kind of broken. So I've just been fixing it pretty much. Hell yeah, snapped right in. New sensor right there. New switch, my bad. We gotta go ahead and get our zip tie ready. So on your car, you wouldn't have to do the little zip tie thing. It actually should have a mount. I mean, if you're using this video, you know, to understand how to do this, it should just already have a mount. Mine doesn't have a mount because it was broken off. So if you use this video to see how to replace it, you won't be having to do all this with the zip ties. I just know that I need to zip tie mine in because it was already zip tied in. Frustrating. This is why you don't break stuff, so that you can do easy repairs. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys moved a little bit so I can see better. That one. There's Luna in the background. I don't think I showed her to you guys in this video. She's barking at some little kids. Luna! Hey! They ain't do nothing to you. So yeah, once you got your zip ties done, go ahead and trim them. Luna, no more barking. You wanna go inside? Go inside? Stop. Yep, I'm trying to keep this video short for you guys. Yeah, that's it. Now we can test out the switch, see if it works. Go ahead, jump in here and test out the switch for you guys. I want to know if it works too. So it's still in the front tank. And you see, just watch the gas gauge when I switch it. I don't think it switched when I hit it. Unless the back tank is like super full, but yeah, that's going to take some more troubleshooting. I don't know exactly why. I'll let you guys know in the next video why this switch isn't working properly, but maybe it wasn't the switch. Maybe there's some type of other wiring problem. But I'll see you in the next video either way. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, do all those good things. And I'll see you in the next one.